Balanced Scorecard is an excellent tool for application during issues of crisis. As the world finds itself engulfed in the pandemic of COVID-19, an organization is looking to improve their performance while maintaining their HR. Balanced Scorecard offers you the opportunity to have a real insight of your organization, weigh out individuals and departments that are really focused towards achieving your overall mission and vision of the organization, ensuring that your HR gets what it deserves, ensuring that your business survives for the future, and ensuring that all relevant individuals are regarded as per their competence. Allow Balanced Scorecard to find a solution for you during these testing times.